Hello, welcome back. For the foundation class, I think we're here now. If you check the last video, you find out that I made a mistake. I put the index.html files inside the image file. Very, very important. It shouldn't be so. Because I was trying to check it on my GitHub and I found out that I was not able to see it. So this is my geo search in my GitHub. I'm supposed to see index.html and about us here. So I then found out that when you want to create a folder, and any folder that when you want to create a file, any folder that is still highlighted, any new file you create will be created inside that folder. So to avoid that, just click on the readme, this one that is on the open place. Then you can now add the file. So it's supposed to have index.html. Okay, yeah, it's in the nice place now. So I click on the readme again, click on this add new file, and I'll have about us.html. Press the enter key. Okay, so everything is fine now. So I have the CSS folder, image folder, JavaScript folder, then about us and index. So this is perfect. So I'm gonna go to this is the new index and about us that I created. I'll go to the previous index where I wrote the code. Make sure I copy all the code that I had written earlier. Then go to my new index, paste it, and I'll do Ctrl S. So all these other ones, I'm going to go inside that image file, image folder, and delete this about us here. Delete. I don't need to have it here. Move to recycle bin. Then I also go to the index.html inside the img folder and delete it as well. Good. So my img folder is now empty. Okay. Inside main, I have main css. Inside img, I don't have anything. Whereas inside js, I have main js. So this is what I have now. So I can actually send it to GitHub. Oh, okay. No need to send it for now. But in subsequent classes, I'm gonna be able to. Okay. Let me create a new branch and send it. So I'm gonna say git checkout branch. I'm gonna call this is gonna be the feature, and it's gonna be the index.html page. So this feature is gonna just be the index page. This is this index that I just wrote here. So that's gonna be the first feature. Okay. So you see I've switched to index page now. So I have this new page. So I have GeoSearch is the title. This is our GeoSearch app. So I'm gonna just create a paragraph tag. I'm gonna just have a p tag and I'm gonna call it this is where we can search. This is where we can search for specific geographical areas and get the weather conditions. So that's what I'm going to do. Ctrl S to save. Okay, so that's what I have now. So after writing, I did Ctrl S to save. So I'm going to do git add all to add everything that I've done so far. So I'm going to do git commit, and it's going to commit with a message to say and now I just created a new feature. So I'm gonna write feature, then inside the brackets I'm gonna write the name of the feature is index page. So I'm gonna close the brackets, put this colon, then I'm gonna say create the index page. I'm gonna put the enter key, so I'm gonna say create an index page. So that's basically what I did. So I'm gonna put another enter, then I starts, because this index page we are still gonna work on it, so that's why I say starts instead of saying finishes. So I'm gonna put this quote and then hit the enter key. So it's gonna make this commit. So after the commit, I'm gonna just push by saying git push. As you're pushing, I want you to watch it and update origin. So which branch am I pushing to? I'm pushing to feature index. Once you press the tab, it will write the remaining for you. Go back, put the colon, and still repeat this again. Fit index page. So once I hit the enter key again, it's gonna push this to the GitHub. So I can now go to my GitHub, create a pull request, and once I create the pull request, I should be able to merge. Okay, you can see it's pushing very well. Okay, it's completed pushing. So quickly I'm going to the GitHub. So this is the GitHub. You can see it's already here. This is the pull request. So I click on it. So once I click on it, I'm gonna take out this side so that I'll just have create the index page. I'm gonna also take out this starts. So I'm gonna click on create pull request. So once I click on create pull request, I will see this place merge pull request, confirm merge. Yes, so once I confirm merge, everything is okay. I can now go back to my geo search. So inside my geo search, I should be able to see, okay, you can see it's now written where index.html, about us.html, readme, the JS folder, a CSS folder, and my image folder is not showing because there is nothing inside the image. So it's perfectly okay now. So this is what I'm having now, and I believe that's what you should be having as well. So please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that anytime I drop any video, you'll be the first to see. If you like this video, please hit the like button, like it, share it so that your friends can see them. If you have any questions and concerns, please drop them in the comment section of this video so that I can attend to them. Thank you and God bless you.